All right, here's a little documentation after the first road trip on Randy's GN. 21 miles to and from the afternoon school run. I did 20 pounds of oil pressure. That water temperature gauge is a little high. Let's see if I get it. 173. And it's showing about probably 183. So let's go through. Hopefully this will show up. That's coolant 173. That's the air temperature sensor and the air cleaner. So it's 55 degrees coming in the engine. Idle is 800, 825. Pretty close. That's the Caster's recalibrated tach, original one. TPS is 36. It's a little low, but it's in the range. I can bump it. IAC is on the lower end of the scale, but it's idling good. It's cross-counted idle right now. I haven't enabled open loop idle. No malfunction codes. There you can see our O2 sensors going from rich to lean, rich to lean. Anything above 450 is rich. Anything below 450 is lean. That is our MAF sensor, our AF. This is extender chip, so that's really 6. That's our engine load, 29%. Our battery's charging. Our integrator is short-term fuel, and it's doing a little work, but it's pretty close to 128. Our long-term fuel is about 139. That means I could bump it a little on fuel pressure, mile per hour. Coolant 167. Okay, there's our oil pressure. This gauge has been doing some funky stuff. About to think it's the sender. Nice oil pressure rise. Sounds mean, no smoke. Yep, we got snow. It's not on the roads. Roads are clean. Running clean. Absolutely beautiful car here. I got crash wrap on it. That's what that is. Rolling motor, nice and loud. That's what we got. Doing a little work on the core support. Paint's not the way I like it, so I'm gonna doctor that up. It's on the road. Snow's coming again, so probably not gonna get very many miles on it.